In this video I'll be showing you how to decrypt a encrypted Bitlocker drive. Let me show you. Bitlocker encrypted. So this is the status that you will see on the disk manager. At the moment the C drive, it says Bitlocker encrypted, but if you go to the C drive, Bitlocker is not enabled. See, it's got here turn on Bitlocker, so it's definitely not enabled. So what you got to do is go to the command prompt here. First thing you need to do is just you can type in manage-bde space-status C drive, and this will give you some detail on the C drive and whether it's Bitlocker is enabled or whether the conversion and how much it's encrypted. So at the moment it's 100% encrypted. So what you got to do is turn off the encryption even the Bitlocker is not turned on. So you type in manage bde space-off C drive, and you'll see here that it's got decryptions in progress. And then to check the progress, just type in manage-bde space-status, and then you'll report how far it is along the way. So at the moment it's 32% of the drive is encrypted, so you just keep checking the status. You'll notice that it will go down. Let me try it again now. 16%. So the decryption is in progress. You just gotta wait. Okay, let's check the status again. 5%. So not long to go. And then I plan to merge these two partitions. So at the moment you can't merge these two partitions because one of the partitions is encrypted. So the whole process now is to decrypt it and then merge it. Okay, let's check now. So encryption is not enabled on this drive. Turn on Bitlocker. Okay, so it looks like that's done, which is good. So let me merge the two. So I need to use another tool to do that. So I might be able to create another video. If you do want to show you how to do that, put down a comment.